9 misconceptions about space that people still believe. Misconceptions. 1. The moon has a dark side. When observing a full moon, it always looks the same. Earthlings only see one side of the satellite. The far side of the moon is hidden, attracting romantics and conspiracy theorists. When the first artificial satellites were sent into space, scientists became curious about what was on the other side. There is a common, mysterious phrase, the dark side of the moon. According to many sci-fi movies, this is where the forces of evil are based. In reality, all sides of the moon are illuminated by sunlight. The moon has day and night, each lasting about 2 weeks. The moon indeed has a far side, but because its rotation period around the Earth almost matches its rotation on its own axis, only one hemisphere is visible from our planet. There's nothing special on the other side. Misconceptions 2. People can explode in space. There is a belief that in a vacuum, a person would explode like an inflated balloon. Blood vessels would burst, eyes would pop out of their sockets, and nothing would be left of the body. In reality, in a vacuum, there is no pressure, and changes in the body would not be explosive. The most dangerous thing is if you exhale before jumping from a spaceship. Your lungs could burst. Additionally, there is a chance of gas bubbles forming in the blood. This is because gas is dissolved in the blood and tissues convert to a gaseous state, forming bubbles. These bubbles can block blood flow and damage blood vessel walls. They also harm the central nervous system. In open space, the body would also start to swell. However, our skin is so resilient and elastic that it wouldn't let an astronaut explode. It is known that one can survive in a vacuum for up to 1.5 minutes without consequences. This is based on experiments with dogs. Staying longer than this time can lead to hypoxia, lack of oxygen, and death. Misconceptions 3. Space is cold. The Earth's surface is heated by sunlight. The Earth, in turn, heats the air above the surface, transferring energy. In space, far from satellites and planets, there is nothing to oscillate and heat up. A very popular myth, especially spread in movies, is that a person with a damaged spacesuit or without one in open space would turn into a fragile ice statue. In reality, space has no temperature. It feels neither cold nor hot. There is no thermal conductivity or convection in a vacuum. In fact, space is a good thermal insulator, and astronauts are more at risk of overheating. If you find yourself in open space without a spacesuit in the shadow of any planet, you would feel a slight chill due to the evaporation of water from your skin. Freezing is not an option. Misconceptions 4. The sun is yellow. In images of the sun's surface taken by spacecraft and ground-based telescopes, you can see a real orange inferno. However, these pictures are specially colored to match people's perception of the sun's color. Artists, illustrators, and children almost always depict the sun in warm, yellow-orange shades. And if you look at the sun, it seems that the star is indeed yellow. In reality, the Earth's atmosphere gives the sun this color. In images taken in space, the true color is white. This myth is so popular that even scientists classify stars similar to the sun as yellow dwarfs. Misconceptions 5. Black holes look like funnels. What a black hole looks like in reality is not precisely known. Artists created works based on astrophysicists' speculations until the first photo of a black hole appeared in 2019. Movies and pictures on the internet have given people the idea that a black hole is a vortex that sucks everything around it, resembling a funnel when water drains in a sink. In reality, a black hole is not a funnel, but a dark sphere surrounded by an accretion disk of gas. The gas, in turn, falls onto the sphere. The most realistic depiction of a black hole was shown in the movie Interstellar, based on physicist Kip Thorne's models. Later, NASA made the first image using a system of radio telescopes. Misconceptions 6. Difficulties of flying through the asteroid belt. Han Solo from Star Wars had to skillfully pilot the Millennium Falcon to navigate through the asteroid belt, dodging huge rocks and escaping pursuit. In the solar system, there is an asteroid belt between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars. Astronomers do not know the exact number of asteroids in it, but estimates suggest about 10 million. However, even a novice could fly through them. The average distance between asteroids is 1.5 million kilometers, which is 4 times the distance between the Moon and Earth. The probability of even coming close to a rock, let alone crashing into it, is 1 in a billion. Misconceptions. 7. The space pen costs billions of dollars. Ordinary pens cannot be used in space because the ink would not flow down. There is a myth that NASA invested $12 billion in a special pen for astronauts to write in space. This pen can write on any surface, upside down, and at temperatures from 0 to 300 degrees. Soviet cosmonauts used pencils for this purpose. In reality, both Americans and Russians used pencils. However, graphite particles could flake off and get into the spacecraft's air filters. An American entrepreneur and inventor, Paul Fisher, presented a convenient pen and provided 400 of them to NASA at $2.95 each. In 1969, the Soviet Union purchased 100 such pens and 1,000 cartridges. These space pens were used on Soyuz spacecraft and the Mir station. Misconceptions. 8. It's warmer in summer. Because the Earth is closer to the Sun. Many believe that the change of seasons occurs due to the changing distance from our planet to the Sun. In reality, because the Earth's orbit is not circular but elliptical, our planet reaches its closest point to the Sun in January and the farthest point 6 months later. If this affected the weather, summer in January and winter in July would be the norm. In reality, seasons change due to the tilt of the Earth's rotational axis relative to the orbital plane. Orbital motion can cause temperature fluctuations of about 5 degrees. Misconceptions. 9. Spacecraft travel in straight lines. All rockets launched into space today to escape Earth's gravity are launched in an arc. The higher the altitude, the greater the curvature. In movies, however, spaceships often travel from one place to another by simply turning and engaging engines like cars. In reality, things are different. In space, spacecraft move from one orbit to another along a Hohmann transfer orbit. In celestial mechanics, the trajectory is an elliptical orbit used to transfer between 2 other orbits in the same plane. The engines are turned off during this time. They are only turned on twice, at the beginning for acceleration and at the end for deceleration. The rest of the time, the spacecraft moves by inertia. This is the basis of orbital mechanics. Spacecraft that are going to land descend from orbit by turning engines in the direction of travel and braking simultaneously.